How to give self-introduction in an interview. When you are going to interview, you may have nervous. Yes, due to this, a lot of things you may collapse. It is important to have a clear idea before you are going to an interview. The first and very common question in an interview they will ask, tell about yourself. If you have a fear, throw away. Think that the interviewer also is a human being like you. When you are going to give the self introduction, you have to be very clear how you are going to expose yourself to the interviewer. Think that you are a product. When you are selling a product, you have to tell the features of the product. The same way, you may have some features which is more useful to the company, so you have to expose those features to the employer when you are giving the self introduction. You have to show that the importance of yourself to the company. Okay, now I will tell you some tips how to the common tips. This is the very common tips how to introduce yourself. What are the serial orders? First, what you have to tell, second, what you have to tell, and third, what you have to tell. All these things we will discuss. The first things you have to tell your name. The second one is your native place, then educational qualification, family background and sibling, languages known, vision and clear mission, and your hobbies. These things is enough. For the fresher who is going to give the self introduction, these things is enough, but the serial order is very important. Name, the first thing is name. No need to explain to you the name, you know your name. You can start your name is my name is. You can start like this. My name is Anu. You don't tell I am Anu, me Anu, like that. You have to tell my name. This is the most formal way of introducing ourselves to the new person. The interviewer we will not know, so we have to tell my name is Anu. This is Anu, me Anu. These are all the not correct words, so we have to use this word. Then the native place. When you are going to give the native place, you have to tell your natives. My native place is. Then you can tell Trichy. My native place is Madurai. My native place is Pune. Then you can say the speciality of the places also. For example, I am going to say my native place is Madurai, the safest non-sleeping city. Or you can say I am from Madurai. My native place is Madurai. That also is enough. I am coming from Madurai. I am Anu from Madurai. I am Anu from Madurai is okay, but not formal. So when you are going to give the native place, you have to give my native place is. Then your educational qualification. When you are saying your educational qualification, you have to tell I completed my degree. I completed my BE. I completed my BCom. I completed my BSc. Then the year you can say from which university. See here I just mentioned in the correct way. I completed my BE from Anna University in 2019. I did my MBA in Anna University is okay, but not most formal. Somebody may say I have finished my MBA from Anna University is not common. So better you can say I completed my degree, my BE from Anna University in 2019. This is the most common way. So you can just write this sentence and then you can follow up for your future interviews. Then the next one is you have to say the family background. Family background. In the family, the leader of the family is your father. When you are saying about your father, you have to put Mr. in front of your father name. So I am saying here my father name is Mr. Ram. Don't say my father Ram. My father name is Ram. This is wrong. We have to say my father name is Mr. Ram. You must tell the father name is Mr. Ram. He is a bank manager working in Future Bank. My father is a cultivator. My father is doing trading business. You have to say which is more delightful, which something you are learning from, you learn from your father. Your father is your first teacher, like that you have to show up. Then the second thing is your mother. You can say what is your mother is doing. My mother is working as a teacher. My mother is a homemaker. My mother is doing this. My mother is doing that. Whatever it is. So what is your mother doing? You just tell them that what is your mother is doing. The third part is your sibling. Sibling means your brothers and sister. You can say I have a brothers and sister. My sister got married and working as a teacher. My brother is a cultivator. Or you can say my brother is working in IT company as a senior software engineer. My sister is pursuing MBA. Anything, whatever they are doing, you can tell. But prepare, this is the serial order. Then the languages part is very important. If you know more than 2 languages, you open this part, otherwise you don't open this part. If you know more than 2 languages, you can tell that I know this language, I know that language, then otherwise you just skip it up. Then personal vision and mission, this is very important. You have to know what is vision. Vision is nothing but your goal in 10 years or 20 years where you wanted to be. You can say I wanted to be in 10 years as a CEO of a reputed company. So mission is what? Vision, you know. Vision is in 10 years or 20 years your goal is this. I wanted to be there. That is your goal. That is your vision. There I wanted to be in 10 years. Then personal mission is to attain the goal, to attain the vision, what you are doing today. You have to explain if you take this job in 10 years where you wanted to achieve, what you wanted to achieve. Your vision and mission be clear. Your vision and mission has to match with your job profile. Don't say that you are going to be a IT company interview as a programmer and you are saying that I wanted to be a CEO of the company. I am exploring about marketing activities which is not at all related to your current job, current interview. So don't say like that. Your interview job must match with your mission and vision. If you are really interested to work in this company as a programmer, you have to change your vision as a senior software engineer or project manager, whatever it is in that field you have to select that one. To do that, what you are going to do, I'm learning a lot of programming, I'm learning this language, I'm learning that language, I'm learning .NET, J2E, you can say in this way. So these are all the things what you are doing now presently to attain your vision. You have to give the clear picture to the employer, the interviewer, so that he can understand how much you are enthusiastic to take this job. Then your hobbies is a very important things. How you are utilizing your timing, how you are managing your timing after your work. So these all the things they will analyze, the interviewer will analyze when you are taking to an interview. I'll give you one common example for the fresher how to introduce yourself. My name is Anu. My native place is Madurai, the safest non-sleeping city. I completed my BE from Anna University in 2019. My father name is Mr. Ram. He is a cultivator. My mother name is Suja. She is a teacher. I have a brothers and sister. My brother name is Raja, working as a senior software engineer. My sister name is Rosie, pursuing BTech in computer science. I wanted to be the senior software engineer in a reputed company, so I am learning Java and .NET and I am exploring more things in Java. I will take this opportunity as my first step to put all my effort to promote to develop more software programs along with my learning. You can tell in this way, then you can complete it. Based on your self introduction, they will ask you questions, so please prepare your self introduction has to be very clear.